Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with you an premium data recovery tool where you will get it absolutely free of cost. So to get the premium data recovery tool absolutely free of cost, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So in this premium software you will get 1 year free license, and the software official price is $41.97. So you can already understand that how much expensive this software is. So I will definitely provide you a giveaway, so you don't have to pay anything. So after using this software, what benefits you will get from this? So you can recover data from recycle bin and hard drives through SSD and SDD, and you can recover data also SD cards and memory cards, USB flash drives, mobile phones, digital cameras, and many more storage devices. So you can understand that how much this software can be useful and life saving. So to get this software you have to go to one of your browser. In the search bar you have to go to this link, so I will provide this link in the video description. From there you can get this link. So after enter into this site you will get this interface. Here you have to register now. So to get register you have to provide your name here, and here you have to provide your email address, and then click on agree, and then I am not robot. So after that click on get now. Let's wait for a moment. So as you can see, this here is showing congratulations, we have sent the free activate code to the email address. So they have sent the activation code in my email address. So now I will go to my email address. So as you can see, this there is showing registration new and free registration code for APK data recovery. Click on this link, and there here you will get an email address, which is your email address, and this is the registration code. So now you have to download this software. So to download this software, click on the new tab and click Epic Soft Data Recovery, and then go to the first link. If you are using Windows, then download Windows software. If you are using Mac, you can switch to Mac and download Mac software. So I am using Windows. Click on Windows and click on this. You can see this have successfully download. Double click on this. So this interface has come. Now you have to install from here. So click on install. As you can see, this is installing the software. So we have to wait for a moment. So as you can see, this data recovery installed successfully. So now we will go to the software. So as you can see, this the software has opened, and here is showing that Epic Soft Data Recovery is unregistered. So now we have to register the software to get the premium features. So click on this K, and here you have to provide your email address and registration code. So to get those, go to your email address and click on this, copy your mail address, go to the software and paste this email address and copy the registration code and paste this registration code. Now click on but register, then click on OK. So you can see this data recovery registered successfully. Now you can use premium all the features absolutely free of cost. Look here, the register option already gone because we have registered the software. So this is the interface where you can recover your data successfully without any kind of issues. So if I want to show you how you can recover your data from recycle bin, so click on recycle bin and click start scan. So this is scanning. So as you can see, this is showing 0%. So you can see this is scanning the data from recycle bin. This already done 9%, so it will go to 100%, and here you will see this all the recovered data, and then select the recovered data and click on recover all. So they will recover all the data. So for video length purpose I am stopping the video here. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community.